Daze report. Let me open up your mind. Making money on PayPal or Cash App, the IRS might be tracking your transactions. If you're self-employed or have a side hustle and get paid through digital apps like PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo, any earnings over $600 will not have to be reported to the IRS. A provision from the 2021 American Rescue Plan, which went into effect on January 1st, directs third-party payment processors to report transactions received for goods or services totaling over $600 per year to the IRS. Prior to this legislation, a third-party payment platform would only report to the tax agency if a user had more than 200 commercial transactions and made more than $20,000 in payments over the course of the year. This new law won't apply to your 2021 taxes, which you'll file this tax season, but will apply to the earnings you make throughout 2022 and which you'll report when you file in 2023. There's a lot of talk online about this new tax reporting requirement, and if you can earn money through a digital payment app, you may be confused about what's true and what isn't. Let's separate the facts from the fiction. Fact, this isn't a tax change, it's a reporting change. If you're self-employed, you should already be paying taxes on your total income. Regardless of how you receive your payment for goods and services, the new legislation is not a tax change, it's a tax reporting change so the IRS can keep tabs on the transactions made through payment apps that often go unreported. Going forward, third-party payment companies will issue a 1099-K tax form for each year if you earn $600 or more annually in income for goods or services. This tax form might include taxable and non-taxable transactions, particularly if the account is for both business and personal one. Excuse me. Fiction. The IRS is counting money you send to family and friends. Rumors have circulated that the IRS was cracking down on money sent through third-party payment apps to family and friends, but that isn't true. Personal transactions involving gifts, favors, or reimbursements are not considered taxable. Some examples of non-taxable transactions include money received from a family member as a holiday or gift, money received from a friend covering their portion of restaurant bill, money received from your roommate or partner for their share of the rent and utilities. Payment apps may be requesting tax information from you. Now that this new law is in effect, payment apps like PayPal may be reaching out to you for confirmed tax information, such as your employer identification number, individual tax identification number, or social security number. If you own a business, you most likely have an EIN, but if you're a sole proprietor or individual freelancer gig worker, you'll provide an ITIN or social security number. Personal items sold at a loss will be taxed. That's fiction. The last one I said was facts. This one's fiction. If you sell personal items for less than you paid for them and collect money via third-party payment apps, this is new legislation won't affect you. For example, if you buy a couch for your home for $500 and later sell it on Facebook Marketplace for $200, you won't owe taxes on the sale. That's because it's personal items you sold at a loss. However, you may be required to show documentation of the original purchase to prove that you sold the item at a loss. However, if you have a side hustle where you buy items and resell them for a profit via PayPal or another digital payment app.
In boardrooms and virtual meeting rooms around the world, business leaders are asking, how do we unify our culture when a screen is...
Sorry about that. If you have a side hustle, like I was saying, where you buy items and resell them for a profit via PayPal or another digital payment app, them earnings over $600 will be considered taxable and reported to the IRS. Make sure to keep a good record of your purchases and online transactions to avoid paying taxes on any non-taxable income And when in doubt, contact a tax professional for help. So yeah, man, they just don't want you to have anything. You can't have no money tax free or anything. They like, nope, we got to get our cut too. And this is how the IRS and America continue to hold us down and put us down because we can't get no money. But it's okay for them to get some money and basically forget about us. We won't see anything of that at all. It's a trip. So to me, make sure you report it. Like they said, if it's under $200, you don't have to report it. But if it's over like 600, then yeah, you're gonna definitely have to report it. But this is just another way to take money from us. You know, the government never can let you just get your own money. You have to, any app you use or whatever you use, they gotta basically take from you. So thank you for listening. Like, comment, subscribe, share this. Hit that notification bell to select all to receive upcoming notifications. And if you love what you hear, you go to my description box, hit the link, it'll take you to my Cash App. You could donate $1 or you could donate $1,000,000. Whatever you're willing to give, we'll accept. Thank you for listening. This is the Daze Report, and we're signing off. Peace.